Hello everyone, welcome to Vista's Learning. I am Injeela Shakir, your EVS tutor. Before starting the session, let me tell you what is Vista's Learning is. Vista's Learning is an online education platform that provides quality education for all. So, like, subscribe and share our videos with your friends because sharing is caring, right? Let's start our today's class. Today we will study chapter number 11, Importance of Teeth. Oh really? Our teeth are very important? Let's find out. Before starting the topic, let's do one small activity, ice-breaking activity. So your first question is, how many teeth do you have? Oh, you don't know? Then count and tell me, how many teeth do you have? I'm waiting. Next question, what is the color of your teeth? White or yellow? Next one, how many times do you brush your teeth in a day? You never brush your teeth. Okay, you brush your teeth. How many times? One time or two times? Okay. Next question, name two things that you use to clean your teeth. Okay, toothbrush, okay, toothpaste. Okay, let's move ahead. See, meet this girl. Her name is Ria. As you can see her, she likes chocolates a lot. But what happened with her? After a few days, what will happen? Then pain will start, then after a few years, her teeth will decay. Do you know what is the meaning of decay? It's totally spoiled and they will start falling. Yes, if you want to save your teeth, if you want to make them strong, so you need to brush them twice a day. At least after eating food, after taking lunch or after taking breakfast, rinse your mouth. In this way, you can save your teeth for the future and you will save your smile. Let's see what is next. I want to tell you something important about teeth. The teeth that appear in children of 1 year to 6 years are called milk teeth. As you all know that when we were small that our teeth fall. Then what happened? Then we get new teeth. So from the age group of 1 year to 6 year, whatever teeth appear at that time, at that duration, those teeth are temporary teeth and they fall time to time, and after 6 years again teeth will appear and those will be a permanent teeth. They start falling from the age around 7 and 8 years. New teeth will appear in their place. These are permanent teeth. Let's see what is next. If the permanent teeth fall, then what will happen? We will get the new teeth? No, they will not grow again. So we have to protect the permanent teeth for the future. That's why I'm telling you, you have to brush your teeth twice a day. If you will not brush, if you will not take care of your teeth, then they will fall, and how you will eat the food? It will be difficult for you to eat the food, and your smile also will spoil for the future. What is next? An adult person has totally 32 teeth. How many total teeth are there in our mouth? Children, 32. But when you become adult, that time only. Among them, 8 are incisors, 4 are canines, and 20 are molars. How many? 8 incisors, 4 canines, and 20 molars. Premolars and molars. First of all, they were premolars, then afterwards molars. Then altogether, these are 32 teeth. Types of teeth. How many types of teeth are there? You will say, ma'am, all the teeth look same, all are same. There are no types of, there with no kind of teeth are there. No, if you will see the structure, if you will see the shape, then only you will find out, yes, they look different. and they have different work also. Let's find out. We have four types of teeth: incisor, canines, premolars and molars. Understood? Let's move ahead and step by step you will get to know about these teeth. Okay, with the help of this picture you will see the structure, the shape of the teeth. The first one you will see incisor. As you can see, what is the shape? It's broad. See the upside upward. Yes, it's broad and it's sharp also. Yes, let me show you. See this one, the yellow teeth. As you can see the yellow teeth, these are incisors. 4 in the lower jaw and the 4 in the upper jaw. Altogether 8 incisors. Now let's see canine. As you can see, canine are long and sharp. You have seen the structure, how they look like. They are long and sharp. Now where are they? They are just beside the incisors. As you can see, these blue teeth. One is right side and one is left side besides the incisor. In the upper jaw, 2 are there. In the lower jaw, 2 are there. Then altogether 4. Next is premolars, and I said the premolars and molars. As you can see in the beginning, premolars are flat and the size is small, but they are large, and when they become big, they become more large and take rectangular shape. You can see these premolars and molars. Where are they? What is the position of these premolars and molars? See, you can see these orange teeth. These 2 are premolars. Then afterwards you can see molars, the blue one. Now you can easily understand the position of these teeth. Again I am telling you, yellow incisors, blue canines, orange premolars, and the blue one are molars. In how many are there incisors? 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Altogether 8. Canines, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Altogether 4. And you can see premolars and molars. Premolars are 4 in upper jaw and lower jaw again 8. Altogether 4 and 4, 8. Upper 4 and lower 4, altogether 8. And molars, 6 in upper and 6 in lower, and altogether 12. So we can count premolars and molars together, then they are 20 in number. And if we count all the teeth, then they are 32. I hope you understood the position of these teeth and where are they. Now you can easily tell anyone, see, these front teeth are incisors. The front 4 teeth and the side ones are canines. After that, premolars and the back side molars. With the help of this picture, you can easily understand the position of teeth. But I want to tell you what is the work of these teeth. Incisors. As you can see, incisors are in front. So what is the work of incisors? They cut the teeth. When you take the bite of an apple, how you take from front only, right? Then afterwards only food goes sides, this sides. Then they used to cut the food. What is the work of the incisors? They cut the food. Then canines, they tear the food in small pieces. What is the work of the canines? They tear the food. And premolars and molars, what they do? They grind the food. Yes, they just grind the food for good digestion. If you will not use premolars and molars nicely, so how your digestion will be? So you have to grind the food with the help of these premolars and molars. You need to eat the food nicely. Chew the food nicely, then your digestion will be very good. Front teeth, incisors, side teeth of these incisors are canines, and the back side premolars and molars. part of a tooth. How many parts are there? The first part, the upper part that you can see, that is called crown, and the lower part that you can't see, that inside the jaw, that is root. So two main parts are there, crown and root. Importance of teeth. Why teeth are so important for us? Teeth help us to cut, tear and grind the food, as I already told you. Teeth help us to increase the beauty of the face. And teeth help us to pronounce correctly. Yes, that's why teeth are very important. And you need to take care of them. Brush twice a day. Intake good amount of calcium. And what you have to do, if you are eating something sweet in midday or after lunch, just rinse your mouth. If you are not brushing your teeth after lunch, that is okay. So what you can do at that place in afternoon, you can rinse your mouth. That is also very helpful. One poem is given in your textbook. Let's recite this poem. Teeth, teeth, the incisors, to bite vegetables and fruits. The sharp and long canines, to tear the sugarcane. Just behind them are molars, to grind the food really soft. I know you help one and all to chew their food and eat it up. That's it. I hope you understood the topic, importance of teeth, types of teeth and parts of a tooth. If you really like my video, what you have to do? You have to like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends, because sharing is caring. In the next class, I will teach you next topic, lesson number 12. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.